Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you too.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ms. Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and I'm super excited because we are in the Crocs store. Y'all know I love the Crocs store. And guess what? Me and my sister, we're getting matching Crocs. So yeah, stay tuned. Right now, we're trying to choose some charms for our Crocs. So yeah. Do you want to do like the letters down here, or do you want to do like the letters up there?
But they don't have B up there.
Band lock, and I'm gonna do AP lock it. All right, y'all. So we have our Crocs. Let us show you the Crocs that we chose. Our matching Crocs. So these are the ones that we chose. This cute little turquoise color. And then we both have our gibbets. And me, with my gibbets and charms, y'all know I love a good color scheme. So yeah, mine's kind of like have a color scheme. I'm gonna show you guys my charms. So I actually have AP, Lockett, AP for assistant principal, and then Lockett. So those are letters that look like this. Y'all know I love those little gold letters. So I'm not gonna show you those letters. And then I'll just show you one by one what charm I got. I have double of everything. So I have these bows. I have this cute little seashell star because it is summertime. And then y'all, I have this cute little, do y'all see that? Unicorn. That is so cute. And then I have this little jewel that matches the Crocs, same color as the Crocs. And then let's see what else. Oh, did I show you guys this? The seashell. I got a seashell that goes with the sea star, the star. And then I have a daisy. I have these on another pair of my Crocs, but I really love flowers, love daisies. I don't know if this is gonna make the cut, but I got those. And is there anything else different that I got? Nope, that's everything. All my gibbets and charms that I got, like I said, double. Show them your gibbets.
I have Shay Lock, which is the C, H, and E. And I played on my last name, which is Lockett. So I got the lock.
Our last name.
I got the lock, and I got the letters E, T, of course another T.
T. Lock it.
Right, I got the purple bear because purple is my favorite color, so everything is probably going to be purple. I also got this yin yang. It lights up.
Move it up so they can see.
It's purple. I got a purple star. And I got a purple bow, hair bow. And I got a cassette tape because I love music.
She's a band director, y'all.
And I also have a music note, which is not the color scheme, but we're gonna add it on for the flair.
So those are all the gibbets that we have. We're probably not gonna be talking. I'm gonna move this bag. So what we'll do, this probably will be time lapse. I'll make it go fast. We'll create our Crocs and then we'll show you guys the finished touches in a minute. All right, here goes. All right, y'all. I was struggling. Some of my gibbets was falling on the floor. I was going to chase them. But I finally finished it. And I'm going to show you the finished result. You want to show yours first?
These are mine. They say Shay, lock it. Lock it.
Let me see. So these are hers. Let's do them a little closer so y'all can see it. Super cute, like the purple. Did you put the music signs on it?
No, I didn't really know.
Oh, she took them out? Okay. She took the music signs out. And then here go mine, y'all. My last name is long. I should have did a lock in the it too. But we made it work. So I got AP and then I got my whole name, Locket, and then I put all the other cute little gibbets and charms around it. And I love it because it's unicorn. I feel like I'm a different person. I'm a unique person. I have my own style, taste. And then the star and the shell is giving me summer vibes. And that's what I am. I'm on summer. So yeah, these are mine. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try them on and let you guys see them. All right. All right, guys, that concludes the video. Hope you guys like our matching Crocs, our summer Crocs. And yeah, you got anything you want to say?
Nope. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's go. I'm actually shocked she did a video with me, y'all. But yes, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll, or maybe we'll, see you guys in the next video. All right, bye, y'all.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you.